Hi, I'm Camila, and I've been living in the United States for almost 1 year now. I live in a cozy apartment in Chicago with my roommate, Sarah. She's my best friend here, and living with her has made everything easier. She's tall and slim, with long curly hair and big green eyes. She has a bright smile and always looks energetic. She's super friendly, easygoing, and really organized, unlike me. She's also very responsible and always helps me with paperwork and appointments. Honestly, I like living in the US a lot. The people are polite, and the city is full of things to do. There are museums, concerts, parks. It's never boring. But I have to admit, it wasn't easy at the beginning. I had trouble getting used to the food and the fast pace of life. Everything felt so different, even how people greet each other. In my country, we hug. Here, people just wave or say hi. Now I'm getting used to the culture, and I feel more confident speaking English every day. It's been challenging, but also exciting. I'm happy here, and having a good roommate makes a big difference.